Welcome back, everybody. It's November 9th. We are still mowing grass, still doing leaves, and we got some trimming to do back here on this bamboo that got overgrown this year. The next two places you're going to see are the downtown apartment buildings that we do year round, and I don't have to put in bids for it when we just got to take care of it here and there periodically to make sure it doesn't look horrible. So that being said, we'll have some nice crisp edges on here and do some trimming for you and make these leaves disappear that are everywhere. Almost gone. The Bradford pears and the oak trees are the last to hold on, and the Bradford pears are almost done. So stick around, we'll get some footage. So that's actually a rose bush. Everything else was obviously overgrown bamboo. We did not hit the electrical cord. Still intact. Down here you can see that obviously you gotta be careful what you're doing because this is the main gas line meter. I think I honestly forgot that was back there. That should have never gotten that huge and overgrown. So shame on me. I really think I forgot that was back there halfway through the season. Hey, a lot of stuff going on every single day out here. So they got this covered. Next thing we got is this porch. That used to be just a daily bed, but you can see what bamboo will do. It takes over. Let's get some footage. Dude's big. Ooh.
Hey, oh my gosh, you don't know how much I appreciate this.
Good, good.
Here's a little token of my appreciation.
Oh, that's no necessary, really.
I want to. In fact, I had somebody I was going two different people. One ended up being in jail, so he couldn't come.
I gotcha.
And the other one was diagnosed with cancer, and he's going through a little something right now. So I thought, oh my gosh.
Yeah, we just got behind on our gig, but honestly, you really do not have to give us anything.
Well, I know, but I want to.
Well, I won't stop anybody from wanting.
Pass this out, $50 each.
Oh my goodness. Boys,
You have no idea how much it means to me. I mean, every time I look at this, I think, oh my God.
All right, well, in the future.
I cut it a little bit, you know, and then it just got away from me too.
If I'm still here next season, which I should be, I've been here for like 8 years now.
Yeah.
So, I mean, I'll keep a better maintenance on it.
You can't get, how do you get rid of this?
The bamboo is,
whew. I mean, I have been here since 2004. And just in the last couple years,
yeah,
it has come over here.
Yeah, because it was just a little bit over here.
One stand. I mean, it took that long for it.
Yeah,
but I really
yes.
need to, you know.
Yeah, so I'll keep on it next year and keep it at least trimmed down and manicured for you, for sure.
Yeah, until I get somebody to actually dig down deep enough to get it all up and put a border in.
Yeah.
That's going to be hard. But in the meantime, yeah, that was so great. I appreciate that.
Yeah, you're welcome. Well, thank you very much.
Thank you guys
The
so
unexpected
much.
gift.
I appreciate it. Very unexpected for you.
Yeah, well, appreciate it.
You're welcome.
Have a good week.
You too. Bye-bye.
Single axle trailer. We'll see how much it holds. Yeah, it always surprises me. So every year we gotta come back and trim this tree off. He's just growing from the suckers. But this whole wood line here used to be covered with swag. We're gonna whack it up. All right, so that adventure was 3 hours with 3 men working. What are you guys gonna bill it at? Let me know in the comments, alright? Off to the next stop.